question. Get talking.
What's the meaning of this, princess? Stop this now. What is it? Are you mad or something? Are you crazy? Don't you have respect or have you respected enough in this place? Are you mad?
Did you just
slap me? If you say anything again, I'll give it to you one more time. Are you crazy? Nonsense.
Huh? No, did he just slap me? You just... Now bring out your hands! What's my time? Don't piss me off. Come closer! I'm not supposed to walk to you. What's my time? Don't waste my time! I'm going to do it to you. You are going to bow to me 7 times for disrespecting me. 7 times again for disrespecting my personality. And another 7 times for telling me that you will teach. Master now to be a sister!
Yes, ma'am.
Is that how to bow? Bow! I said bow! Bow very well! Bow like a black man, like an African man. Bow off, man.
Hey! Stop! Come on, stand up! What is going on here? What is wrong with both of you? Are you mad? Don't you know our tradition in this Umudimpa? That a man who is initiating into the well-organized masquerade cult cannot bow to another man who is not, to talk about a woman who is not even married. Oh no, she forced us.
And you obeyed her.
How dare you subject men to this kind of humiliation?
So because you managed to use some whole dents or some close-up to brush your mouth this morning, first in history and for the past 3 years, you think you've got the guts to walk into this place to talk to me and tell me what to do in my palate?
Watch your tongue, young woman. Watch your tongue.
If I don't watch my tongue, what will you do? If I don't watch my tongue, I will use this your white beard and shove it to your head.
I am Diono. And as you know, protecting of these traditions is my job.
Exactly.
Now both of you, go to your duty posts.
Will you go back here?
To your duty post. And hey, never you ever in your life bow down before any woman within or outside Umudimpa.
Did you hear that?
Now go.
Come back here, you nitwits. Look at them.
Okay, you can now see the king.
You can ask, why would you guys see the king? Look at him. Useless, wretched, don't know, we're shorter than a retarded, don't know. You have been wearing this red cap for the past how many years? You cannot change it. Get it, make it. You go.
Okay, now, baby.
What is your business in this matter? What is your business? I was from where are they? See, by the time I am through with you this time, and you were just standing there looking at me like a woman. Going to abuse something. I'm talking to you for goodness sake. You're sorry. Everybody is so stupid in this planet.
Say her heart is made of iron, and she is the saddest.
Are you imagine?
Greetings, my elders.
Okay, where's the king?
He's still in his chamber.
Go and tell him that we are here to see him, and that it is urgent.
Very urgent.
Can you imagine? Sit down.
My princess, I'm really sorry about what happened. But please, my princess, we need to finish this video so that I can edit and upload it.
Shut up. Not now, please. I'm not in the mood.
Okay, my princess. Okay, why don't you go and change? You remember we have an appointment with the widows.
It is either you close your mouth or I will help you shut it with a slap from the ostrich. Shut up!
Sorry.
Now get out!
My princess.
I said get out.
My princess.
Get out! Get out!
My princess.
Nkiru, if you do not leave this place right now, you will receive a slap that will set your intellectual quotient. Why can't this man mind his business? Why will he always trigger this unknown nonsense each time he has to joke with me?
Can't just take this one lying low.
Igwe. Oh no. Igwe.
Yes.
Okay. But look at that. Your message sounded very urgent. And now both of you are here and your faces. You're not looking good. Is anything the matter? Your Majesty, all has been well till we stepped into this palace. Your Highness. No matter what the problem is, we must have to give thanks to Chukwu Kabiama. Chukwu aise gibe na la anyojin. Ita no to ita ni ibe. Ka ita ndo tata aru isi ka tata ibe enwe. Ibe yiri anya ayara abia ka yiri ya ga na abia. Aya di keji de chandra gwagwu. Ibe de mmai na eche n'ime obi anya o ya emezu. Mmemere ya ka isi wee yo. O ya dị na anyị mma na eke. Dị la anyị mma na orie. Dela anyị mma na afọ, wee dela anyị mma na nkwọ. Ndị banye ọbụla ndụ Igwe Onowu Iji Okeke na bụ enyi Ọjị. Okay, I am listening. Your Majesty, we were coming to you with good news from one of our great sons. But as we stepped into this palace, we saw something that is against our custom. You saw something that is against our custom in my compound? The way it is, Your Majesty. And what could that be?
Hello.
Let it not be as if I saw it alone. Please tell His Majesty what we saw.
Your Majesty, as we stepped into this compound, we saw two of your guards bowing down to the princess.
I didn't hear that.
Onyeze, I said as we stepped into this compound, we saw two of your guards bowing down to the princess.
Bowing before a woman?
What?
How did that happen?
It actually happened.
Have they forgotten that they became guards in this palace in the first place because they were initiated into the well-organized masquerade of Omodinkwa? Exactly what I asked them. Hi! I'm still trying to recover from the shock. Look for those guards and ask them to come here immediately.
At once, Your Majesty.
I was shocked.
They were actually bowing. Onyeze, you needed to have seen the impunity at which the princess was receiving the obeisance from this guy.
I won't take this anymore. I won't.
The king wants to see the guards that were bowing to the princess.
We both are the ones.
The king wants to see you both.
Can you start talking? I mean, what is this nonsense I am hearing about you bowing to the princess? Are you not aware that it is against the customs of this land for the initiated men of this land to bow down before the uninitiated?
Your Majesty, the princess forced us to bow down before her.
Yes, Your Majesty.
And you obeyed? What is this? Huh. Okay, you know what? Fetch me the princess.
Your Majesty.
What is this? It's unheard of. And there are still guards in the palace.
Publishing the name of this imperial house.
Who is it?
The king wants to see the princess.
Okay. Excuse me, my princess.
Okaro, I want to be left alone.
The king requests your presence.
Father, you sent for me.
Come and stand here. Come and stand here.
I gathered you ordered these two guards to bow before you. May I know why? Are you not aware it is against the customs and the traditions of this kingdom for the initiated men of this land to bow down before a woman?
Well, Father, they insulted my personality.
And the only punishment you can think of is to go against our age-long custom and tradition.
I knew nothing about that custom and tradition.
Princess of Umudimpa does not know about the custom and tradition of Umudimpa. Now that you know, I wouldn't want this to ever happen again.
Yes, Father.
Leave my presence. Oh no, you know it yourself. That by virtue of what just happened, these two young men standing here are defiant. After our discussion, please, I want you to take them to the shrine of Ajani for them to pass through the ritual cleansing that will see them restored.
Consider it done, Your Majesty.
Leave my presence, both of you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, I think we can now move over to the good news.
Yes, yes, yes.
And what is the good news? Okay, Ganabi.
I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Must he embarrass me in front of those good-for-nothing guards? Must he? And you? Why are you just sitting there moping at me like some moron? Are you a confused dinosaur? I don't get it. Get out!
Okay, my princess.
And Eric, come back here. Come back here, please. Okay. What is this doing here? Is this dress supposed to be for me? You have lost it. No, it's been confirmed that you're sick in the head. Your dopamine is no longer working. How many times will I tell you that I'm not going to wear this wacky-tacky dress? How many times?
My princess, you've never said anything about
Shut
this.
that hole on your face, that disgusting oozing hole on your face. I am talking and you're talking. You know what? I think everybody has lost it in this house. Just tell Ike to get ready. I need to leave this house at once.
Okay, my princess.
Get out!
Yes, my princess.
Shapeless Amweba. Gosh. Get out!
My princess. My princess!
Take this thing off my expensive luxury bed before I wring your neck.
Okay, my princess.
Insurgent fellow. I can't deal with everyone. Everyone is just sick in the head. Ah! Ah! I want to shout so I can get myself.
Oh, Onyeze, that is what he said I should come and let you know.
This is good news indeed.
A very good one.
It's actually the best news I have heard since I got enthroned as the king of Omodimpwa. It means that the think-home philosophy is beginning to gather momentum. Now our sons, illustrious sons, are thinking of coming to invest in our kingdom. To the extent that now we are going to have a manufacturing company in Omodinkwa. It calls for celebration. And we are going to start with this palm wine that Ishi Okeke Nabenye brought with him. Okay?
Your Majesty.
Can you get the maids to give us cup for us to start drinking the palm wine?
Your Majesty.
He also said I should tell you that he'll be coming next week to see you.
We are here. No leave, no transfer. We will be here waiting for him. I are going to leave or could I leave or not? I
don't know you.
Yes.
Oh my fanatic goodness. Oh, Nkiru, go and sleep. Father.
How are you?
I am fine.
You know, your mother was an intelligent woman. A woman who was aspiring to be the very best in all the things she was doing. She was exceptionally good. And that was the same dream she had for you. She wanted you to be a very strong woman. A woman who will become the best in every single thing she set out to do. Unfortunately, she didn't live to see that dream come true for you. The cold hands of death took her when it mattered most. And because of what she represented in my life, I decided not to take another wife after her death, but to make sure you grow into that woman she wanted you to be. And I came in here this night to ask you, have I failed you in any way as a father?
No, Father.
Yeah, I want you to spend the rest of this night thinking about this. Because I want you to make up your own mind and grow into that woman your mother had wanted you to be. Can you do this for me?
Yes, Father.
Good night.
Good night, Father.
Please sit down.
Thank you. Thank you, bro.
I'm ready to hear you now.
Igwe, may your days be long. This is my son, Chikwe. He owns a rice farm industry in the north. He came back 2 days ago for the sole reason of coming to ask for a daughter's hand in marriage.
That's good news. Chikwe, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty. May your days be long, and may your kingdom reign forever.
He said. So let me ask you, Chikwe, have you been interacting with the princess?
Not at all, Your Majesty. I would say I'm an ardent follower of your daughter on social media. Based on what I've seen, she's a wonderful girl. She has displayed beautiful characters. Hence the reason I told my father that she would make a good wife. And I came down from the north to make my intentions known to her, Your Majesty.
It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Well, okay.
Your Majesty.
Can you please fetch me the princess? Tell her that she has some visitors.
At once, Your Majesty.
Good.
Igwe.
Well, Chikwe, as we wait for the princess, can you please tell me, how is the rice business? How is it progressing in the north?
So guys, I can't wait to show you what we actually have in stock, because today we're actually going out to the widows to go show them love. And I can't wait for you to see what we have for them, because these women... Yes, who is there?
My princess, you have a visitor.
I'm not expecting anyone.
Maybe it's the prince from yesterday.
The prince from yesterday. What prince?
My princess. The prince from US. The one that is asking your hand in marriage.
Are you sure you're not mistaking me for someone else?
My princess. Don't tell me you've forgotten.
Forgotten what?
He left his card when we came back yesterday and you called him and you were so excited.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, just tell him I'll be right there soon. Continue with the video.
My princess. It is not nice to keep a royal member waiting.
Are you mad or something?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Will you stop imposing your protocols on me? I have my own protocol. You don't expect me to run out there just because a prince is waiting to see me. Do I look as cheap as you are?
My princess, but you asked him to come by 3 p.m.
And it's not yet 3 p.m. Like I said. Continue with the video.
Okay, my princess. On 1, 2, 3, action.
So guys, I can't wait for you to see the love we're supposed to show them, and I can't wait for you to see what we have in stock for them. Once again, it's your princess of Ubudin.
What is keeping the princess?
It's okay, Your Majesty. You know how long it takes for women to get dressed. I'm sure she'll soon be here.
Abaka, you actually raised a very wonderful boy. Here.
Thank you, man.
You know, he has a perfect understanding of how things work.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Well, okay, can you please go and let the princess know that we are running out of time?
Father, I was told that I have some visitors.
Can you please sit down? Abaka here, son of the soil, has arrived with his son, Chikwe. Chikwe is a successful rice farmer in the north. And specifically, he is the one who has come to ask for your hand in marriage.
Father, did I just hear you say a farmer? A myopic bearded one at that?
Yes, my son is one of the most successful farmers in the north and in Nigeria at large.
Oh, please shut that hole on your face. I wasn't even talking to you. Father, how could you expect a farmer to get married to me? How do you want him to take care of me? How is that even possible? A rice farmer for that matter? Father, please, if you do not mind, I have better things to do upstairs. Thank you. Excuse me.
I thought you said she's well-mannered.
Daddy hasn't come to that. Please, my Majesty, forgive my father. I'm sure the princess is in one of our moods. We will come back when she's in a lighter mood. Okay?
You will be coming back. Where? You and who? If you're coming back, you're coming back alone.
Abaka, please, don't take it like that. Your son here is making a point. It is possible that the princess is not in the right mood. You give her some space. She's going to come around.
It's okay, Your Majesty. Thank you very much. Let's go.
Greetings, Your Majesty. The Prince of Umuobu Kingdom is here to see you.
Okay. Let him in.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Okay, I hope you can see the way it is going. That these people will be leaving and the other ones will be coming in almost immediately. So I wanted to go to the princess. Tell her that Abaka is gone with the sun and that the Prince of Umuobu Kingdom has arrived.
By all means, Your Majesty.
Good.
I think we'll have to buy one today.
Hey, did the princess come in here?
No, she must be in her room.
She's not there.
Then check one of the many living rooms. She might be there recording one of her crazy videos.
Hey, please, oh, walls have ears. I can't stand another punishment. Please. Please just check her anywhere there.
I don't get it. How did he get to know me? An ordinary, frivolized farmer. A good-for-nothing farmer wants to get married to me. God, I am damn disappointed.
My princess, the Prince of Umuobu wants to see you.
Excuse you? What did you just say? Come closer. Are you crazy? How dare you talk to me from a distance? Are you mad? Have you lost your sense of timing? How dare you argue with me? Are you mad? Have you lost your sense of timing? You cursed Capricorn from the Sacramentals. What did he say again?
He said that the Prince of Umuobu is here to see you.
And who the hell is that?
The princess. The prince you spoke to yesterday. Don't make me feel as if you've forgotten how excited you were while talking to him.
Really? Yes. Well, go and tell him to come up here to see me, if he really wants to see me. Get out from my sight and stop looking at me like some cursed tall giraffe. You irritate me. Look at him.
And where is the princess?
She said he should meet her upstairs at the mini living room.
What? Did you tell her that the prince is actually sitting right before me?
Your Majesty, please. You know women and privacy. Maybe she doesn't want you to hear our discussion. So with your permission, I'd like to go and meet her upstairs.
Do you mean to say you have no problem with this request?
No, not at all, Your Majesty.
All right then. If you don't have any problem with it, I equally do not have a problem with it. Okay then, he will take you to where the princess is waiting. Okay.
Thank you.
Take him to where the princess is.
Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Say, her heart is made of iron, and she is a sadist. She cares for nobody. She looks down on everybody. She is mean, a wicked soul. She carries herself like a wicked goddess, portraying an angel on the media, but in reality she's a devil. Heartless princess. She's a stubborn princess. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. She's a heartless princess.
Good afternoon, Princess Ebele. I am Prince Chijindu of Umu Kingdom.
Sit.
Thank you.
Please go straight to the point. I don't have all day.
As I said, I am Prince Chijindu, Prince of...
I heard you the first time. Please. Why are you here to see me?
Why does it sound like someone offended you?
Well, I'm already offended with the fact that a black demon sitting right in front of me does not have anything reasonable to say than to just stand here or sit here moping at my face like some Homo erectus who is disasters.
Your Majesty. Why were you holding your sheikh when you came in initially?
No reason, Your Majesty.
Okay, I'm going to fire you this minute from this palace if you lie to me.
The princess slapped me, Your Majesty.
I thought as much. Why did she slap you?
Because I talked to her from a distance.
Just that?
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, she slaps people at any slightest provocation. The other day, she made Ngozi carry a hot pot of soup just because she mistakenly interrupted her video while trying to serve your food. And again, because I told you about it, she threatened me with a gun.
What?
Your Majesty, please, do not tell her that I told you this. She will kill me.
Just get up. Get up. Go and call Ike for me.
Your Majesty.
She now has a gun? Oh God, God, God. Does it mean I have failed as a father? Why would she be with a gun?
Your Majesty, you sent for me.
Ike, I need you to go back there. I want you to start another series of investigation. I want to know exactly the person she goes there to see and what business they have together.
I will do that, Your Majesty.
Do it discreetly.
Okay, Your Majesty.
So because you saw that I'm a princess and you saw my net worth online, you think you can walk into the States to come get married to me?
Not exactly. You see, I intend
You intend nothing, Chijindu, or whatever you call your stupid name. I know your type, gold digger. Just because you know my father is a king, you came to give yourself a trial. Well, it is not going to work because I will never be interested in a man, a cankerworm like you.
Enough!
Oh, don't you dare in your life raise your stupid voice at me. Are you mad or something? Have you lost it?
You're beginning to lose track. You don't even know me. You cannot think so lowly of me or talk to me in that manner. I am a prince, and not just a prince of my kingdom, but the heir apparent to the throne. And a millionaire in dollars.
Oh, please. You shut up your mouth, you fool. Shut up! I don't want to hear you talk.
I thought you were a responsible woman. I'm wrong. Excuse me.
You are quite excused.
How on earth do you cope with this character?
Don't you ever in your pathetic, retarded, useless life call me character again. Honestly, my... Shut up!
Say, her heart is made of iron.
That's irritant. Useless fellow. Can you imagine? He had the guts to come ask for my hand in marriage. Who does that? That black demon. Ugly idiot. Who is that?
Ego.
Yes, hello. What? Where is that snippet from the Jupiter? Where is Ike?
My princess, I don't know.
I asked the question. I said, where the hell is Ike?
My princess, I think he's the one driving it.
And where are you coming from?
My princess, the king sent me on an errand.
The king?
Yes, my princess. Please, I don't want to keep His Royal Majesty waiting.
What did you find out?
Your Majesty, that rough-looking guy, the princess always goes to see, bears the name Ego.
Ego?
Yes.
What does this Ego do for a living, and what business does he have with the princess?
I am yet to find out, Your Majesty. But most people living around that area are scared to talk about the guy.
Ike, I need you to go back there tomorrow. Find out what this Ego does for a living, and specifically, I want you to tell me the very business he has with the princess.
I will do that, Your Majesty.
Good. Go to the kitchen and ask them to serve me dinner. And most importantly, go to the princess and tell her, I want us to have dinner together.
Okay, Your Majesty. Ngozi, the king said that you should serve dinner. And you should also inform the princess that she will be having dinner with him.
Okay.
Okay, man, says in the team,
And why are you looking at me like that?
Who is going to tell the princess what the king said?
You, of course. What kind of question is that?
Me?
Uh-huh.
Please, I don't want to receive any slap. Do you understand? And how are we even sure the king sent us to her? He must have sent Ike, and he wants us to run the errand for him.
And if that's the case, will you blame him? With all the punishments at every slight provocation, who will run such errand?
So what do we do? Because Ike is the head of the guards, and we cannot disobey his orders.
In that case, we will go together. So if she gets provoked and decides to punish us, there will be no one to serve the king's dinner. That way we'll be rescued quickly.
I think you're right. That's a good idea. But you'll be the one to talk to her.
Why? Is your mouth paining you? Madam, you better start breaking up the video.
She's a heartless princess, a wicked princess.
How did your meeting with the Prince of Umuobu go?
It went well.
So when next is he coming?
I don't think he'll visit again.
Why?
Nothing.
You know, the Prince of Umuobu told me everything that transpired between you both. How you called him a gold digger and ended up slapping your PA right before him. Is that true? Anyways, he has already ended everything concerning the marriage.
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
If you continue like this, Dabereshi, there is no sane man who will be coming for your hand in marriage. I hope you know that. Who is Eagle? Drink water. Are you okay?
Yes.
Good. So you can answer me now. Who is Eagle?
Igor. I don't know anybody by that. Who is Igor?
You don't know Eagle?
No, I don't.
Dabrashi, do you own a gun?
No, father.
You know, I've gathered. Your stock in trade is to slap the palace workers and punish them at every slight provocation. If you continue doing that, those palace workers will leave this place. And remember, they are doing the work that you cannot do. Therefore, you should accord them maximum respect, the respect that they deserve. I'm not going to tell you this again. Eat your food.
Now, who amongst you reported me to the king? I asked the question, who amongst you reported me to the king? What? Oh, you all have suddenly gone deaf and dumb, right? I will play your brains out! Get talking!
My princess, please, I did not. It's not me. It's not me.
You. And you. On your knees now. I said on your knees now.
The cleansing process at Ajani is very painful. We should not go back there again.
Yes.
I am an initiated man of Umudinkwa Kingdom. I cannot bow or kneel to a man that is uninitiated, let alone a woman.
You really want to show me that you have gone gagas, right?
My princess,
you want to show me that you're stubborn, right?
My princess, please, I beg you.
Blow off your brains.
Please, my princess. Please, temper justice with mercy, I beg you. Hey, Achalugo, Wanyoma. My princess, you are the light that shines in this palace. Please, calm down.
What's going on there?
Father, I am having a meeting with the domestic staff.
By this time of the night? What kind of meeting is that? Listen, dismiss everybody to go and sleep. The meeting can happen any other time during the day. This is late already. They should be sleeping by now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
My princess, is there any other thing you'd like me to do for you? Listen and listen attentively. Today will be the first and the last time you will interrupt or stand on my way. Do I make myself clear?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Let me have my phone and take your smelling, oozing self from my room. What are you waiting for with your tacky self?
The phone, my princess. I need to upload some videos tonight.
And you will do that tomorrow. Get out.
Okay, my princess.
Yes, Ego. The next time you see him, poison him. And as for that nitwit that calls himself okay, he is lucky he's the cupbearer of the king. He would have suffered the same fate.
You're here. Good morning, my princess. Good morning. I've been looking for you all over the place. I want to remind you that we have appointment today with the children and the aged people.
Call Ike for me.
Yes, my princess.
Where is he?
My princess, Ike is not around. They just informed me that the king sent him on an errand.
Go and get ready. We're going out now.
Right now?
Now.
Yes, ma'am.
What is after him? Ike? Ike, who is after you?
Ike, what's going on? Ike, you did not off the car. And you did not even park well.
What is happening?
Ike, what did you find out? And what is wrong with you?
Your Majesty. Majesty.
What's wrong with you?
The ego of a guy. Your Majesty. He is a drug peddler.
What's wrong with you?
Your Majesty. He sells hard drug to the princess.
Ike? Ike? What's the problem?
Ike, what? Ike, talk to me. What's going on? Ike, talk to me.
What's happening here?
Ike.
What's wrong with him?
Hello, doctor. Can you please come to the palace? We have an emergency. Yes, come, if possible, come with an ambulance. Doctor, what is going on?
Your Highness.
Yes?
We need to move into the hospital as soon as possible.
Did you hear that? Right. You need to move him to the hospital immediately. Can you move him? Can you move him?
Yes, sir.
Can we? Okay.
We need to take him to the hospital immediately, as soon as possible, please. Now. We don't have time. Please. Your Highness, please meet me at the hospital.
What is going on?
Yes, what did you do to him? He came back and collapsed. Oh, I see. You gave him an overdose. That's nice. Okay. That serves him right. When he comes back, he would learn to mind his damn business.
The ego of a guy. He is a drug dealer. He sells hard drugs to the princess.
Your Majesty.
My king, what sort of message did I just receive? Your Majesty, that message is disturbing. What do we call that?
Onowu, can you please sit down?
Okay, I'm seated. But my king, what really happened? Was he sick?
He was not. He was actually very okay this morning when I sent him on an errand. But the problem is that he came back and was saying something like, hold on, the doctor is calling me. Hello, doctor? What did you just say?
Your Majesty, what is it?
Ike is dead.
Hey! Dead? How?
The doctor just confirmed. He died of cardiac arrest.
Cardiac arrest? How could a young, vibrant man like Ike die of cardiac arrest? Hey!
How will I know? That's what the doctor just said.
Cardiac arrest.
Oh no, please. You're going to do me a favor. Find a way to break this news to his family.
I'll do that. Hey! How will his family take this?
The truth is that a man who is serious about settling down does not look for a perfect woman, because she does not exist. Perfection is only ascribed to divinities. I have followed you for some time, and I can tell you're the ideal woman who is going to sustain a long-lasting relationship. That's why I've come to make my intentions known to you.
Are you done?
I am confused. What do you mean by am I done?
Excuse me.
Sir, please. I'm sorry.
Sorry, did I say something wrong?
No, you did not. She's not in the right frame of mind right now. So I suggest you go and come back later. Excuse me.
Who amongst the guards can drive?
All of them. But I will recommend Chiki.
Oh. I see. Remind me to tell father that.
Okay, my princess. My princess.
Yes.
As we are unable to make a video of you while frying Gary, I suggest you wear an apron and we make a video of you while you are preparing a delicious meal.
Oh, please. Don't you get tired? I'm tired. I need to take a nap.
Okay, my princess.
That reminds me. What did you discuss with the Obiora guy?
Oh, nothing much. I just told him to come back later, that you are not in the right frame of mind to discuss.
You can go.
Okay, my princess.
Well, your request for a large portion of land for you to set up a company is here approved. Because we need to encourage people like you. People who are thinking of coming back to establish in our kingdom. And luckily for you, we have a land already mapped out for the same thing that we have not managed to do anything with. A land that we have fenced for so many years, lying there. So do you know who here will take you to that land? You will see it and confirm that it is what you want, and then you figure out how to carry on with your plan.
Igwe, I greet you.
You're welcome.
My heart is full of joy for what you have just said right now. Thank you so much.
No, it is something we must have to do. This is part of that think home philosophy that we have been saying. That those who have managed to make significant money from somewhere should be able to invest back at home.
That's true.
Yes. That's what you have done. And I am going to encourage you.
Thank you.
Fully give you maximum support.
Thank you very much, Igwe.
You're welcome.
Igwe, I did not come empty-handed. I came with a token of appreciation.
Good. Good. Yes, I'm not going to tell you that I've not been expecting this. It is part of the tradition. You're welcome one more time. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, you will have to take them now so that they can see the land and then figure out how they can start. They have the maximum support of this throne.
Consider it done, Your Majesty.
Good. You may leave now.
Please, Your Majesty, I may not be able to go with them because I have an emergency at home to take care of.
You see, Ajay, that's not the problem. Onowu can take care of this.
It's all right. I can go to Onowu.
Take care of your family, okay?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Okay, Kenna Benny is always happy these days.
Why wouldn't I be happy?
Smiling all the time.
No one spits out the pinch of salt that is put in his or her mouth.
We can now go and see the land.
Yeah.
Your
Majesty.
Can you put
Colin.
Hello?
Hello, my name is Obiora, the first son of Okeke Nabwenyi.
Oh, I remember you. Good afternoon, sir.
Can you kindly tell the princess that I'll be coming to see her today, please?
Sir, I will, but when exactly are you coming? Because we are on our way out right now.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is what's going to happen. When you guys get back, just tell me so I can start coming over.
I'll do just that.
All right. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
My princess, Obiora, the son of Ichio Nabenye, called. He said he wants to see you.
Whose number?
Your number.
My number.
Yes, my princess.
For him to call me, that means he has my number. Who did?
My princess, I consider him a person of importance, so I gave him your number.
So you gave him my number? You did what? You gave him my number!
I'm sorry, my princess, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This will be the very first, the last time you will give someone my number without my permission. Do I make myself very clear?
Yes, my princess.
Do you understand me?
Yes, my princess.
Do you get it into your numbskull?
Yes, my princess.
Let me have my phone, you retarded fellow. Get out.
Okay.
Angel on the media, but in reality she's
Majesty.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, Your Majesty.
Please go to the kitchen and ask them to serve me my moringa tea. Then go to Shike, let him get the car ready. I have a meeting to attend in the government house.
At once, Your Majesty.
Oh. Is that my phone ringing?
Oh, yes. Hello? Yes? Yes, we are back. Okay. She will hear. Thank you, bye.
And who was that?
Obiora.
Sorry, Obi, what?
Obiora.
Get your stupid, demented hands off me. Are you crazy? Now I am sure he is coming and I'm sure you also know how to handle him, right?
My princess, please, give him a chance. This man looks and talks like a nice person.
Are you crazy, you slut? Have you lost it? No, it's the guts for me, the panache. You've got the temerity to tell me who to date and who not to date. It seems this little slightest PA of mine that you are is beginning to get into your head. You have lost it, right?
I'm sorry, my princess, but I swore to the king to always tell you the truth.
Listen, I do not want to slap you. I do not want to raise my hands on your ugly face. Now leave my room and go handle who you invited right now. Get out.
Okay, my princess.
Ice! Make sure you tell him nothing about me. Am I clear?
Yes, my princess.
Get out. Rating TV.
Yeah, you chase everyone away with your attitude, and no one wants to be seen around you. Even those who try to come to you, you treat them like.
And what were you discussing with him? I asked the question. What were you discussing with him?
I told him that you are not disposed to see him right now, that he should come back later.
Really?
Yes, my princess.
Call him back. Huh? I said you should call him back, dummy.
The whole idea of having a woman is to have someone who can make life easier. The signals from the princess have not been good at all. Hello?
Hello, sir. Sir, the princess said you should come back.
Oh, she's free to see me now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I'm coming back now. I'm coming back. Thank you.
Will you drop my luxurious phone, you idiot? Get out! Alopecia patient.
I went for a meeting in the government house today. And I had to drive myself. Because you left with Chike without my permission. And I came to tell you, let today be the very first and the last you're going to leave this palace with Chike without my permission. If you must go anywhere, drive yourself.
Dad, Father, but you know I have phobia for driving.
Listen. If you have phobia for driving, stay at home. If you cannot wait for the new driver to arrive, stay in the house. Or better still, kill that phobia and learn how to drive yourself.
Thank you so much, my lovely, supportive, sweet fans. I really appreciate your support for everything. Thank you for watching my videos. And I promise to keep getting you more videos and more videos and more videos because you know me. Your princess is always up to date. Yes, who's there?
Here you have a visitor.
Huh? And who was that?
Obiorama.
Obiora. I see. And what has he come to discuss with a nobody? A commoner like you. I asked a question and I hate repeating myself.
My princess, he
what?
My princess, he asked me to marry him.
He did what? He asked if you will. No, come again. Maybe I didn't hear you clearly.
He asked me to marry him.
Oh my goodness, God! Oh my word! I'm blushing. So you now mean to tell me that Obiora finds you, an ancient breed of the dinosaur, more attractive than I am, right?
No, my princess.
What did you guys discuss the last time?
Nothing, my princess. We only talked about my educational background.
Ooh! Dora Akunyele. Okonjinwala Ngozi. You are now a BSc holder. No, a doctorate degree holder, right? You know what? It's the gods for me. I really need to understand it. No. I never knew you were this intelligent, even though you were a shallow-minded idiot. Wow! Your services in this palace are no longer needed. I want you to go back to your room, pack your disgusting shredded things together, and get out of this palace.
Oh, my princess, my princess, let me explain.
No!
My princess, you're misunderstanding this whole thing. It's not what you...
If you make me repeat myself one more time, I will blow your brains to the Jupiter! You daughter of a maggot!
Yeah, you chase everyone away with your attitude, and no one wants to be seen around you. Even those who try to come to you, you treat them like nobody. It is down to you now that no one wants you. Everyone is running away from you like you are a siege. Is this what you want for yourself? Is this the life you want? Everybody is afraid at the sound of your voice. They will come avoiding you like a siege. Look what you've done to yourself.
I know that lady. She's the lady that works for the princess. Why is she looking so wrecked and frustrated?
Okay. I've been meaning to ask you, why are you blaming Nkiru for anything?
I'm not blaming her in the real sense of the word. I'm just disappointed in her for doing what she did.
What did she do? What did she do? You and I listened to our own side of the story, and we both know that's the truth. She did what every sane woman would do. You don't have to blame her.
Then she should have said outright no to the guy.
And who said she said yes? The princess did not give her the chance to explain before she even fired her. Yes.
Really?
My princess.
Ngozi, today henceforth, you are my new PA.
Me?
Yes, you.
I'm sorry, my princess. I like working in the kitchen. Moreover, I don't know how to make or edit videos.
Are you stupid? No, I can understand that you're stupid, but are you that stupid? Are you that daft? No, have you lost your sense of timing to argue with my authority?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Don't you ever in your pathetic life try that nonsense again. Excuse me. And when you're done, you come to my room.
Why me? I mean, you're the one who has been defending her. Why did she choose you?
May the gods forbid it. I cannot walk directly under the princess. For what now?
Oh, you cannot and you think I can?
Respect yourself.
See, this one will not work. It will not work.
Her heart is made of iron, and she is a sadist. She cares for nobody. She looks down on everybody. She is mean, a wicked soul. She carries herself like a wicked goddess, portraying an angel on the media. But in reality, she's a devil. Oh, a heartless princess. She's a stubborn princess.
Ogene, what is it? What is it, Ogene? Bam, 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 bam. Hi, talk to me now, what is it? Why is she? I don't know. She came in like this. Nkiru. Nkiru, what is it now? Nkiru, talk to me. I'm your mother. What is it? It's okay. Oh? It's okay. It's okay.
Why are you carrying your bag? Okay, I was coming to tell you that I'm running away from this palace. I can't be that devil's maid in waiting. I can't. Are you going to leave me here, alone in this palace? Wait. Why not tell the king about it? So we can talk to her. Okay, are you the one saying this? Please, oh, I don't want to die yet. Allow me live in peace. Ngozi, are you see? Ngozi! Ngozi!
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Chika, how are you?
I am fine. Your Majesty, there is something going on in this palace that you need to know.
What is it?
Nkiru was stripped of her duties, and the princess also sent her away from the palace. Then, the princess also went to Ngozi to ask her to become her maid in waiting. Now Ngozi is no longer in the palace. She also ran away.
I need to understand what you are saying. Nkiru is no longer in this palace?
Yes, Your Majesty.
And now Ngozi has run away?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay, are you aware of this?
Your Majesty.
Stop crying. Thank God you came back in one piece. You get another job.
Listen, Nkiru, don't worry. God has given me a new job. And as soon as I get money from that job, I will send you to the city. So, stop crying. Hmm?
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Put your bag inside. Okay. I'll come and prepare something delicious for you to eat. Your mother is here. Okay, Mama. Now, let me take her inside. You know, okay, Mama. You know,
yeah, you chase everyone away with your attitude, and no one wants to be seen around you. Even those who try to come to you, you treat them like nobody. It is down to you now that no one wants you. Everyone is running away from you like you are a siege. Is this what you want for yourself? Is this the life you want? Everybody is afraid of you. At the sound of your voice, they whisper.
Father, I don't get why you're looking at me like this. I don't get it. For goodness sake, she threw herself at my man. Her cheap self. That's why I had to fire her.
Had it been you behaved yourself as the princess that you are, will you have stooped so low as to ask Nkiru, your maid in waiting for her hand in marriage? Even as I stand here and looking at me as a fool, are you aware that Ngozi, who you have approached to replace Nkiru as your maid in waiting, has decided to run away from this palace because nobody wants to associate with you? Are you aware of that?
What?
You're telling me what? Now listen to me, Daberishi. If all the domestic workers in this palace will leave unceremoniously because of your nasty attitude, I am not going to employ any other person to work in this palace. You are going to be the one that is doing every single work alone. You will be the one cleaning the house. You will be the one that is doing the laundry. Even preparing the food. I want you to get that into your thick skull.
I want to know who has been giving the king the information about the things that has been happening in this palace. I asked a question! Get talking!
What's the meaning of this, princess? Stop this now! What is it? Are you mad or something? Are you crazy? Don't you have respect or have you respected enough in this place? Are you mad?
Did you just
If you say anything again, I'll give it to you one more time. Are you crazy?
Nonsense.
No, did he just slap me?
You chase everyone away with your attitude, and no one wants to be seen around you. Even those who try to come to you.
Father, I am here to report Chike to you.
What did he do? I am listening.
Father, I called the entire staff to ask them why Ngozi left. And the next thing he raised his hands and slapped me.
What?
And even threatened to kill me.
What? Go and call Chike for me.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What is this nonsense I'm hearing? That you raised your hand and slapped the princess of Omode Wakenda? Even threatened to kill her? Are you sick in the head? Now listen, let this be the very last time I will be hearing this. If this happens again, Chike, if this happens again, I'm going to banish you. Apologize to her.
I'm sorry, my princess.
You should be sorry for your stupid, shredded, retarded, disgusting, demented self.
Leave my presence.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What is this? And Nabarishi, please. Are you really sure that what you told me was exactly how it happened?
That was exactly how it happened, Father.
Why are you acting like you're not comfortable standing side by side with me?
Of course I am not comfortable. Sir, please. I am not a troublemaker. All my life I have avoided all appearance of trouble.
But there's no trouble in what I am doing. I agree. I came for the princess quite alright. Until I discovered that she's not what she makes the world think she is.
Really?
Yes, and that's why I backed out.
Why do I have this feeling that you are confused? I mean, do you even know what you want? Sir, if you've ever loved the princess, then you can mold her into what you want.
Why should I start molding someone who does not want to be molded? When in you, I have found someone who is already molded for any sincere and reasonable man. Nkiro, listen to me. Say yes to me right now, and I will make you my wife.
Excuse me.
Okay, can I at least have your number?
You chase everyone away with your attitude, and no one wants to be seen around you. Even those who try to come to you, you treat them like nobody. It is down to you now that no one wants you. Everyone is running away from you like you are a siege. Is this what you want for yourself? Is this the life you want? Everybody is afraid of you. At the sound of your voice, they will scamper, avoiding you like a siege. Look what you've done to yourself.
He didn't care to even ask what prompted my action. A king who can judge a case without hearing from the other side is not a king to me. It's possible he has lost his power spiritually, and that is why he cannot call the princess to order. I don't think I can stay here any longer, because obviously I am not safe. I better do the needful before it's too late.
Chike is really a man. He has finally shown the princess what he's made of.
I don't believe you. I don't believe that Chike will have this kind of mind.
Chike. Ugo, it is exactly what you are thinking. Yes. I have decided to leave.
But why would you want to leave now? Now that you have already put the princess in her place.
Exactly, Chike. If you are leaving because of the princess, this is not the time. You have already conquered the princess. And I'm telling you, the princess will never mess up with you again.
See, if you open your spiritual eyes, you understand with me that there is something wrong in this palace. That is why the king will judge a case after hearing from one side. See, I'm out of this place and there's nothing on earth that will make me to change my mind. See.
Okay. See.
This is no longer for me. I have to do something about my social media accounts. And I'm even losing followers. It's no longer fun. Father. Father, what's going on?
Search everywhere for the gun.
Your Highness.
So it is true. So it is true. So it is true you have been keeping a gun in this palace, an illegal gun, with which you have been threatening our domestic staff, forcing them to do things they're not supposed to do. Kamisika was right. How am I sure you don't know what Kidike?
Father.
Shut up. You have succeeded in bringing shame to this family with your very nasty behavior and attitude. And I am telling you here now, find a way to reinvent yourself, or you leave me with no other option than to disown you.
Father, you're hurting me with those words.
Have you ever helped me with your attitude? With your stubbornness and intractable attitude? Change is the only thing that is permanent. And I am asking you now to change, or you will leave me with no other option than to marry you off with speed to the chief priest. Oh, to the chief priest.
Father!
And to marry you off with speed to the chief priest. Oh, to the chief priest.
Father has never been this furious since I was born. I better accept Obiro's proposal instead of marrying that chief priest and become a forbidden thing in Umudenkwa. May the curse forbid.
Sir, if you've ever loved the princess, then you can mold her into what you want.
Why should I start molding someone who does not want to be molded? When in you, I have found someone who is already molded for any sincere and reasonable man. Nkiro, listen to me. Say yes to me right now, and I will make you my wife.
But why will I be the one that he is telling this? Why me?
Nem. Nkiru. Efolia. Nkiruka. What is the problem? Is it about the job? I have told you not to worry yourself, that the God I serve will surely give you a better job. I remember your brother said he'll be taking you to the city once he gets paid. So what's your problem?
Mama, I know my brother promised to take me to the city. Mama, I am praying for him seriously. Because I know that my brother will never disappoint me.
You see it? Thank God you know your brother can never and will never disappoint you. In fact, he called me to tell me that he will be starting the job tomorrow. And they paid him some money. Yes, so you'll be going to the city very soon. Ebele Okaro for very, very soon. You know, Leah?
Mama, he called you?
Yes.
Dike called you?
Yes.
Hey.
So cheer up.
I'm happy now.
So go in and sleep. You know, go.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Everything will be fine. Huh?
Okay, Ma.
Father, I would like to have a word with you.
Not now, please. I have a meeting with some select men in council that will start shortly. Whatever thing you want to say should wait. I'm not ready to entertain it now.
Father, please. I am here to let you know that I am sorry for all the pains that I've caused you. And that I have also turned a new leaf.
Well, Dabareshi, I need to remind you that I'm still that Eze Nkwa kingdom who nothing moves. I am not one of those kings they working with sentiments. The only thing that can move me is the action that is coming from the depth of the heart of people. In your own case, that is not the case.
Father, my heart is genuine. And it is coming from the depths of my heart. Greetings.
What is it?
Greetings, Iche. Greetings, Obiora. Excuse me, Father.
Okay, get Nabenyi.
What is it?
You are welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You arrived quite early.
Yes, it's about my son, Obiora. He has something very important to discuss with you. That's why we're here.
Okay, then I'm listening. What is it?
Well, Igwe, I came to inform you that the building of the manufacturing company officially starts today. I also came to tell you that I would need the services of the Vigilante Group.
You don't know? I already given instruction to the head of the Vigilante.
Oh, really?
To position armed men around that place where you're establishing the company. You know, this project is your project, quite all right. But it is the community project, and we have to give you whatever assistance that is within our disposal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's good.
Igwe Ezenkwa. I greet you. Thank you so much. You never stop surprising me.
Thank you very much, my king.
Well, Igwe, if that's the case, I would like to see the head of the Vigilante Group, Emmanuel, so I can motivate them.
You see why I said that this your son is a full son of Umudenkwa?
Pressure, my king. Our son, not my son alone.
It's an ideology that he has come to understand even more than the fabricators.
Sure, exactly.
He does not wait to be told what he has to do
before he does it.
You're welcome, my son.
Dalo.
Oh, yeah, don't let go baseball money.
You see.
Well, if that's all, I would like to be on my way. I have a very important meeting I need to attend.
It's all right. It's okay.
Oh no. Huh? No. You're welcome.
Oh no. Your Majesty.
Yeah.
Oh no. Hey.
Okay,
oh no.
You are early?
Yes.
You have never arrived before me.
Something brought about it.
Yeah. Oh no, please, I have to take my leave. I was actually on my way out.
I will be alright.
Ngwano biara.
Ngwano. God.
Oh yeah, dele gamba.
Dele gamba. Beje. Ise.
Ngwano.
Love man na.
Hey. Okay, you actually have a very wonderful son in this boy.
And I say it again, Onyeze. Not my son, our son.
Because he's a true son of this land.
He's all right. He's all right.
Good afternoon. Please, I would like to see Nkiru. Can you help me call her?
Kiru does not work here anymore.
Since when, please?
I think since the last time you visited here, yes.
Okay. Do you know where I can find her, please?
No.
So you mean you don't know where she's from? I mean her village? Or who her father is?
Kiru is the daughter of late Amadi from Ezue village, yes. From Ezue village.
Okay. Alright, thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Have a nice day.
Obiora, I would like to have a word with you.
Princess, I do not remember booking an appointment to see you. I actually came to see your father, the king. When I want to see you, I'll book an appointment. I have to run. I'm in a hurry.
Yeah, you chase everyone away with your attitude, and no one wants to be seen around you. Even those who try to come to you, you treat them like nobody. It is down to you now that no one wants you. Everyone is running away from
And you,
you like you are a sea.
what were you discussing with him?
What you want for yourself.
What were you discussing with him? I hate repeating myself.
That's our son, Kiru.
And what did you tell him? What did you tell
him? Look what you've done to yourself. Yeah, everybody is afraid of you. At the sound of your voice, they whisper.
That's Nico, that wrong companion. Now you listen to me and listen to me very attentively. If I ever see you anywhere close to Obiora again, just an inch, I will snuff life out of you, and I am not blabbing. Ingrate.
Yay! Anyone? She doesn't have manners, so. Ordinary greeting. She didn't greet me. By the way, who is Obiora?
Mama, the one I told you about. The man that made her send me out of the palace.
Oh. Are you seeing him?
No, Mama. I'm not.
Are you sure?
Mama, I'll tell you now if I am. I'm not.
You could go to where I sent you.
Yeah?
Josin Ziggy.
Hey.
Go now.
Mama,
she has gone.
Mama, she slaps a lot though.
She has gone, no problem. You go? Gaba, she has gone.
Mama. She slaps a lot.
You chase everyone away with your attitude, and no one wants to be seen around you. Even those who try to come to you, you treat them like nobody. It is down to you now that no one wants you. Everyone is running away from you like you are a siege. As there is one.
I was hoping that by now you must have thought about what I told you the last time.
Obiora. No. No. Hey, you go feel at home. Oh? No. Enke baby. Enke. Banon katano no. Well, let me prepare for the women's meeting.
Okay. So, what are you saying to my proposal? you don't like me enough, I guess.
It's not as if I don't like you. But the princess is my greatest fear.
Why exactly are you scared of the princess? Anyway, I am not surprised at all. Judging from how she treated me, of course, anybody should be scared of her, but...
Greetings, Obiora. Greetings, Nkiru. Please, Nkiru, I am sorry for the way I asked you to leave the palace. I want you back.
I have to discuss it with my mother first.
Okay. Obiora, I am sure you came to see Nkiru first because she wanted to see me. You're free to always come to the palace to see me anytime, any day.
Okay. Well, when I get to the palace, I'll see you when I see you.
Okay, so Nkiru, please, don't keep me waiting for long. I mean, we've not posted anything on my social media and YouTube channel for a long time now. Okay? Alright then. See ya.
Just look at her. Just take a good look at her. Anyone who doesn't know her will think this is the real her. Not knowing that she is one hell of a person. Anyway, that's by the way. So, sweetheart, am I getting a yes? Because that's the only thing I want to hear.
This is 1 week since I asked Nkiru to come back. And yet she's not yet back. Obiora hasn't even called either. I just hope it's not what I am thinking. It can't happen. Yes, hello, Ego. Where are you?
Good morning, my princess.
Good morning. Why haven't you returned back to the palace? I asked a question.
DK, did you forget something?
Yes. What is she doing here?
And who is this object of abject poverty?
He's my brother.
Oh, I see. Anyway, I came to take Nkiru back to the palace.
Nkiru, you did not tell her.
Tell me what?
Don't worry, I'll tell her myself. Princess of Umodingo. My sister is getting married soon, so she's not coming back to the palace to work for you anymore.
Wow, that's good news. And who is the lucky man?
Obiora, the son of Okeke Nabu.
You mean you went ahead to marry my man after I warned you?
Who is your man? A man you insulted. Princess, please. It is high time you take your leave.
You will regret this.
My princess, you can't do anything. And let this be the last time you will come here to institute any form of business.
Hey, DK.
Are you scared of her?
I am not scared.
Are you scared of that
girl? I'm only respecting her. She's the princess.
Go inside!
Hi.
Daberichi, I still don't understand why you asked us to meet here.
Obiora, please, I have come to see you.
Okay. Please say what you have to say. I have to be at the site.
I am here to let you know that I have accepted your proposal.
Okay. That's good. But it's very late. I found someone else, and as I speak to you, marriage preparations are ongoing.
But you can cancel it. I am the princess of Omodinka, remember? You can.
I cannot cancel it, and I won't cancel it.
Okay, please, can you do me a favor? For the sake of my mental health.
Okay, what might that be?
Don't marry Nkiru. Please.
Let me understand. What has my marrying Nkiru got to do with your mental health? Oh yeah, I understand. She's your servant. So a man leaves you and marries your servant, that becomes a mental health problem. Interesting. Did you think about my own mental health when you were giving me those nasty attitude? Did you think of it? No, you did not think of it. That's because you are very selfish. Princess, please, I need to be at the site. Please get down.
Excuse me?
Just get down with the car.
Yeah. Okay. Now let me get this clearly. I should keep an eye on him. Then when I get him in a corner, what do you expect me to do to him? Okay. That one on my mind.
Say, her heart is made of iron, and she is a sadist. She cares for nobody. She looks down on everybody. She is mean, a wicked soul. She carry herself like a wicked goddess, portraying an angel on the media, but in reality she's a devil. Heartless princess, she's a stubborn princess. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. She's a heartless princess, a wicked princess. She cares for nobody. Made of iron, and she is a sadist. She cares for nobody. She looks down on everybody. She is mean, a wicked soul. She carry herself like a wicked goddess, portraying an angel on the media, but in reality she's a devil. Heartless princess, she's a stubborn princess.
So sweetheart, you can go and make your way immediately. Let me quickly get something at the supermarket.
Okay.
I'll come back for you. Please, do not go anywhere else. I'll come back for you, okay?
I won't.
Coming back soon.
Okay, babe.
Alright. Here you go. Take this.
Baby, this is too much now. Let's share it.
Listen, you might find something else that you want to buy or do, so that's why I gave you enough.
Thank you.
You're welcome,
Wow. Thank you.
I'll come for you very soon.
Okay.
Okay, darling.
She's a stubborn princess. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. She's a heartless princess, a wicked princess. princess. She cares for nobody. Hey, oh, hey, oh. Say, her heart is made of iron, and she is a sadist. She cares for nobody. She looks down on everybody. She is mean, a wicked soul. She carries herself like a wicked goddess, portraying an angel on the media, but in reality she's a devil. Heartless princess. She's a stubborn princess. She cares for nobody. She's a heartless princess, a wicked princess. She cares for nobody. Hey, oh.
Why have you been following me? I said, why have you been following me? Speak.
Let me speak.
Speak.
Someone sent me to trade you.
Who asked you to follow me?
Ego.
What does Ego want from me?
I don't know.
You say what?
I don't know.
Speak.
I don't know. We just asked me to trade you.
Baby, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Look at all this. Look at my hair.
Sweetheart, anything for you, okay?
Aww.
I'll do anything at all that you ask me to do.
I love you.
I love you too. Niku, I have to tell you this, please. You need to be very careful, extremely careful when moving around this period.
Baby, I've always been careful. But then thanks again for reminding me of the need to always be careful.
That's okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I can't wait to see you again.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Don't worry, you'll see me again. Bye.
You take care of yourself, okay?
You too. Don't do what I wouldn't do.
Of course I wouldn't.
Bye.
Princess, Obiora is building a company on a large piece of land, and he's about to marry Nkiru very soon.
That marriage must not hold. It must be ended. And the only way to end it is to take Obiora out. Do you know what to do?
My princess, the guy I sent to troll him was caught by Obiora, and he confessed.
What? Why would he send such a person on such a mission? Coordinate with for me.
Yeah. Well, show for my cabal. No. They wait for you there.
Why would you make such a mistake on such a mission?
I'm sorry, my princess.
You are sorry. Oh my goodness God. Did anybody see you when he wanted to kill you?
Yes, my princess.
Who is the person?
My cousin.
I want both of you to come to the palace tomorrow morning.
Okay, my princess.
Good. Get out.
So, Dad, are you done with the preparations?
Yes, we are very ready. But I'm going to have the final meeting with Tomona by tomorrow, so that we can go for the introduction before we now fix a date for the marriage day proper.
Okay. If you need more money, just let me know, okay?
It's all right. Obiora, are you all right? What is it?
Now, for some days now, I noticed that I am being followed. So I tricked the person into a corner. I threatened to kill him. That's when he confessed that one Mr. Eagle asked him to trail me.
Trail you?
Yes.
What for? Why? No. Does he really know the son of who you are? No, the king has to know about this. I will have to tell the king about this so that he can send the vigilante to find out who this man is and why he's after you.
Father, these men here are here to let you know something.
Have you lost it completely? Can't you see I am in the middle of a very serious meeting with Onowu?
Father, the discussion you have with Onowu can wait. This is a matter of life or death.
How dare you?
Your Majesty, please, calm down. She said it's a matter of life or death. So, let's hear her out.
Father, these men came to tell me something. They are the children of the widow which I told you that I helped. Please, here is the king. Tell him what you told me.
Your Majesty, I was walking along the road yesterday. I met Obiora. He wanted me to work for him. I agreed and I followed him. He took me to a bush path where he wanted to use me for ritual purposes with the help of his father.
What?
Yes, Your Majesty. He was trying to kill me when my brother here showed up and rescued me.
Is that true?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Father, for committing this kind of crime, they should be ostracized from this community.
The act of ostracizing a family or even an individual is one of the extreme punishments laid down by our ancestors to correct errors in the land. You don't just ostracize a family without hearing from them.
Father, I have always known you as an upright king, a man who stands for what is right, not for what is evil. Father, please, someone who committed such crime should not reside in the community of Umudewa.
Your Majesty, you know there are protocols to this kind of issue. Protocols that are rooted into the Ajani. At least let's hear from Obiora.
Let the king make decisions for himself. Father, who knows how many people they have used for rituals in the past?
No matter what a man of Umudikwa has done, no matter the crime he may have committed, we cannot just explore the option of ostracizing without first hearing his own side of the story. I know this young man in question. I may be wrong, but based on what I know of him, he does not pass across as one who could commit such crime.
Okay.
Your Majesty.
I want to believe you know exactly what to do.
Your Majesty.
Send words across to Keke Nabenyi and the son. Let them know that I want to see them here immediately.
I know you. Papa?
Huh?
This is the person I told you has been trailing me for days.
Hey! Make one move! And I am going to raise the fall of Omodinko against you. Why are you trying to run away from the presence of the king?
Your Majesty, this boy has been trailing me for days. I tricked him, I caught him, and then he confessed that one ego employed him to trail me.
What?
Yes, Your Majesty. And that is the reason we came, to let you know. At least, so that you can at least deploy the vigilante to fish out this evil of the man and also know what he wants from my son.
I know they were lying. Is this true? Speak before I lift the offer of Obodekwa against you.
Your Majesty, Your Majesty, please don't involve your phone. Ego asked me to betray him.
Can you tell us, who is this Ego?
He does the princess's dirty jobs and sells drugs for her.
Dabarechi, what do you have to say?
Princess, what have I done to deserve this?
You left me for my maid in waiting.
But you caused it. What was I supposed to do? You were giving me a very nasty attitude. What was I supposed to do? I had to follow the girl who was willing to go the extra mile for me.
I am so disappointed in you. Now I am convinced you have a hand in what happened to Ike. I am going to forget that you are my daughter. I will expose you to the full wrath of the law. Obiora.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You have my permission to proceed and marry the one you love.
Say, her heart is made of iron, and she is a sadist. She cares for nobody. She looks down on everybody. She is mean, a wicked soul. She carry herself like a wicked goddess, portraying an angel on the media, but in reality she's a devil. Heartless princess, she's a stubborn princess. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. She's a heartless princess, a wicked princess. She cares for nobody. Say, her heart is made of